Welcome back to Reece Reads. Today's book is called Happy Helping Penguin, Jungle Adventure, written by Kay Sherry. In a forest once so green and bright, a wondrous change occurred one wintry night. Snowflakes danced and twirled from the sky, covering the trees and ground so high. The forest transformed into a snowy land, with a chilly touch from nature's hand. Animals shivered oh so cold. But the brave ones were ever so bold. Happy Helping Penguin waddled with grace and might in the frosty forest, shining so white. With a friendly smile and a heart so true, he knew just what to do. Squawk, squawk, I can help. Let's make igloos, Happy Helping Penguin called with cheer. Come all, let's gather near. Polar Bear, your strength we need to shape the snow with utmost speed. The Polar Bear nodded with a mighty roar. Together they built shelter, cozy and secure. Seal slithered through the snow with care, bringing warmth and love to share. Dear sheep, lend us your wool. We'll weave it together, oh so cool. We shall make warm clothing for all, to keep the cold away for everyone's sake. The sheep bowed happily, giving their wool. While the forest animals worked with a full pull, they crafted coats, hats, and scarves so neat, for each creature a cozy treat. In the heart of the forest, a fire did glow. Lion's den was spacious, a place to bestow. With a kind request, they asked the mighty king, "Please, dear lion, let others shelter under your wing." The lion with pride agreed to share his cave with others, showing he cared. Together they huddled, warm and tight, in the snowy forest, a harmonious sight. With Happy Helping Penguin's wisdom and Polar Bear's might, Seal's kindness and sheep's wool so bright, the forest was saved, a haven of love, all creatures united, guided from above. The end. What another great book! Thanks for watching Reece Reads, and I'll see you next time. Bye!